Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you some couple of things in LibreOffice. How to delete rows, how to delete a column, how to add a row before. Yeah, those are the things we're going to do. So we have this Excel file. Yeah, lastly we're going to also convert this file into a CSV file. Okay, right? So what we're gonna do, gonna come here and we say I don't need this row to be here, I need this row to be here. So what I will do, I will say right click, then say insert what columns before. Yeah, how to delete, I'm gonna put the columns before. Insert columns before. Okay, yeah, you see, that's all. I put one, then I need this to be here. What I'll do easily, maybe there could be another way, I just say right click that and highlight it all, then I say copy, and I come here and then paste this. Okay, this is what I wanted here, right? After doing that, the second step is to do what? I needed this here, I need to delete this, so I just I didn't need to delete these what columns. You right click here and say delete columns, gone. So I want to delete also the J because it might affect our data. Delete columns, right? It's fine. Now what's gonna be next? This is what I need. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yes, exactly, this is what I'm looking for. So after doing that, I want to confirm what I'm looking for here. Right, that's super good. After doing that, I'm gonna delete this row because I want to create a CSV. Okay, I'm gonna say delete rows. Those rows are gone. So now what's gonna be next? What's next is to create what? A CSV. Then we're gonna say go there, save as. First of all, let me save the file. I say okay, Excel 97 2003 format. You say okay, then I'm gonna create my format, my CSV, which I'm gonna just say save as or export. Okay, when I try to export, it comes and give me this drop down list. So I'm gonna come say CSV City runs. Okay, that's good. So after that, I'm gonna come and say select here, look for CSV. There's no such thing. Okay, you cancel, go and say save as. Yes, that will give you what you want. Okay, you click here, there should be a CSV. You can see text CSV dot css dot csv. Okay, when you're there, I want to create it in this file folder. I want to give it a name. It's gonna be CSV City. Okay. So the reason why I'm creating this CSV, I created a PHP code where I'm going to import that CSV, right? You say save. To ask you this, you use text CSV format. He said this document may contain formatting or content that cannot be saved in the current selected file format. Okay, text CSV. Okay, that's fine. So
Use the default ODF file format to be sure that the document is saved correctly. When it asks you that, don't say this, continue with CSV. Remember, here we're using Linux Ubuntu and we're using LibreOffice. Okay, then to give you this, say Unicode UTF-8, comma, and this. Don't touch anything, you just say okay. After that, we're gonna go see our CSV, how it looks like. I'm gonna go to okay, this is the folder, this is our CSV. I wanna open it. Open with, I think open with text editor is good. You see how it looks like. So now I want to delete that. You see these commas, those ones I want to delete because they're going to affect my file when I create it. So after that, I delete every space here. You can see everything is being done by comma. You can see these commas identifies where a field stops. Surname, name, gender. You can see, then comma. Okay, you can see that is done. It's so long, goes until there. Right, that's it. So let me cancel this. Yeah, okay, let me save it, because remember we did some changes by removing those commas. Okay, let me open it again. When you double click it on Ubuntu, it might choose to use another program instead of using the text edit. Text editors are very fast. So let me say use text editor. You see, a text editor is quicker than any other program, because it could use this LibreOffice calculate that, but that I think it chows a lot of time. Guys, thanks for watching. If you need anything in LibreOffice, please tell us. We will do a video for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. I hope this helps. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment.